Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This video we will share you the straps I bought since I had an Apple Watch. My watch is Series 741 in Starlight. So, let's go. The first one is pink leather strap. It's soft and comfortable, plus a diamond cover hands-on looks cute. I love it. The second one, this one is really cool. It is made of ceramics, white ceramics with silver connectors. It looks very luxurious, and the butterfly buckle design is also very easy to put on and take off. When you're wearing it, that's ice cold feeling on the hands, very suitable for summer. Very nice one. The third one is a stainless steel band. The design looks like weed air. The strap length can be disassembled and adjusted at will, and it is also very easy. No additional tools are required. The design is relatively simple, but it feels good on the hand. It is a good choice to match with a dress. Well, this one is my favorite band ever, double chained together with leather design. Be like Coco. On hand looks cute. Do you like it? And this one, I also like it very much. Love crystal pearl chain design. One side is adjustable and the other side is elastic. Fit to the wrist, is very suitable for small size wrists like mine. Also, easy to install and move off. Starlight color is total match with my watch. The last one is the Starlight color leather strap with cube sugar buckle. The lychee texture is very good, and the leather is also very soft and warm. Hands on looks good too. I'm wearing it for business days. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for your watching. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye!